guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I want to show you how to make a DIY throw pillow. For this project I'll be using TNT fabric, a pair of scissors, thread, cotton filling and my sewing machine. Keep watching. Here I've already cut and folded my fabric. The length of the fabric before folding was 27 inches and the width was 12.5 inches. Now the next thing to do is to sew the fabric from one end to the other, and you leave a little space for turning at one end. Turn the fabric to the right side from the opening that you've created earlier. Now the next thing to do is to insert the fillings. This can be silicone fiber, cotton, or pieces of fabrics. Stitch up the pillow at the opening. You can use thread and needle to achieve this, or you can take it to the sewing machine for stitching. Here is the final result of this project. Thank you so much for staying with me. See you in the next video. Bye.